Welcome, everyone, to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Tuesday. Turnaround Tuesday, baby. April 28th, 2009. What a day. What a day. What a doggone day. Oh, my goodness. Euro dollar surging today, reversing. No real news to report. Again, just the dollar selling off. Global numbers, London number, that realized sales number, what a blowout there. Cable started off the U.S. session strong last night, but they tell you, carry trade coming in nicely last night as the futures were down once again. But I'll tell you what, 2 days in a row with the stock market coming back like that, I don't know. Market won't go down. I agree with Jimmy Rogers. Listen, it's not coming in. Things are way low. We're due for more of a bounce. And I'll tell you what, this carry trade, we're going to get along tonight. Nice reversal today in the carry trade. We got a triple roll tomorrow. I'm loving the Aussie yen. We'll take a look in a second. But again, numbers out of the U.S. tomorrow probably should be terrible. Numbers out of the U.S. today were very good. Richmond Fed better. Case-Shiller House Price Index, no big deal there. Really, joke. Yeah, the pace of decline is lessening, but who cares? House price is going down another 20%. And nothing the Obama administration can do will stop that. But tonight's data, we do have GDP coming out of the U.S. tomorrow morning. That's it pretty much. Nothing out of London, really nothing out of Eurozone. New Zealand, Australia have decent numbers tonight, too. Watch that. But again, look at the Euro-dollar chart. Big reversal. Look at they broke it down at 7:30. Break it down to break it out. Looks to me like a channel line we do have. Euro-dollar. Nice little reversal today. Going to end the month maybe on a strong note. I think we get up to 133. Easy. Maybe even 133.50 here. Euro dollar looks like it's going higher. Bias to the upside, baby. Dollar yen, look at the hammer. Well, it's my kind of hammer. That's a hammer, baby. And I think something like this can happen tomorrow. We're getting along at 5 o'clock, baby. And you know what, my stop? Maybe a double bottom. We'll go through some pain. But in the end, I think at the end of the day, it's going up. Now, GDP coming out is going to be weaker, in my opinion. So we're going to be out of this trade probably before GDP, for sure. I'd rather buy it after GDP on a pullback because I think GDP numbers are going to be horrible. So my bias, again, I think, again, with Obama talking, let me tell you, Obama causes the carry trade to rip, the futures to rip too. And I imagine he's going to do the same thing like he always does. So I'm looking to buy the carry trade big time, buy dollar yen, and I'll show you the carry trade in just a bit. But sterling dollar looks like a nice long again against this 145 level. Taking a look there. Again, 145, big spot, tweezer bottom. Maybe break through. Maybe break through. I doubt it. Listen, we take out these 2 days of lows. It's probably going lower. But this channel line should hold. What's that, 140, 144.70 around there. Hopefully we get a nice pullback to buy. I don't know, maybe 145.80. 50 pip pullback. That'd be nice. But sterling looks like it's going up. And sterling could be on the way. Let me tell you, if sterling is really, look at this chart. If London is really turning the corner a little bit, remember, they were one of the first ones. They did a lot of interest rate cuts. Their rates are historical levels on the downside. So if they come back, we could be seeing a cable pound dollar at the 153 level. Nice little uptrend channel forming. As long as this, and again, this is a head and shoulders too. I'm nervous about this, and the deficit's going to be terrible. Got a head and shoulders pattern here, downward sloping. That's not good, but we rally, certainly 148 I see is an easy possibility, as well as maybe 149. But certainly taking out 147 will be bullish, and then we go to 148 probably in a moonshot. No numbers coming out tonight, so I think it'll be more the dollar index, which we'll look at in a bit, as the big catalyst. Look at that Aussie. Nice little hammer there. Maybe double bottom in the Aussie, but I like it. I like the Aussie on pullbacks. Think it's going higher. We might tweeze a bottom, but I like the Aussie. Euro sterling, nice reversal there. Take a look at that Euro sterling. Double bottomed. Looks like it might be trying to hold, even though I see a nice head and shoulders pattern here. But again, it's due for a rally. This euro is very strong today. But the kind of crap that's going on in today's market. One day the euro's this relative strength winner, the next day the pound is. It's incredible. There's no real clear-cut momentum. One day it's the commodity currencies. Next day it's the euro, the pound, the Swissy. It goes back and forth each day. And today it was the euro across the board. Euro Canada, euro everything. Let's take a look at that euro yen, because euro yen looks marvelous. Simply marvelous. Oh, Rob Emanuel. Ooh, I want to listen to this.
Sense to that. American people have a fair sense that you get rewarded for success.
Oh, shush. I love Jimmy Rogers. He said Karl Marx is freaking not rolling over his grave. He's celebrating. He knew it. He won. He knew it, and he won. Karl Marx. Government owns everything. Fibonacci, well, we could do it from the lows here, or you could do it from the lows here. I choose to do it from here. Give us a picture. And look at where we stalled today. Right at the 50%, baby. Euro yen to the moon, baby. And I'm not calling for a massive rally. Maybe it is going to rally big time, but I'd say 129, easy. 127.50 looks like sure bet. But 129, it's another 220 pips. Looks like it's going there, baby. Euro yen TTMA. Now, again, this GDP number out of the U.S. is probably going to provide a pullback opportunity. I think the stock market is not going down. GDP it's in the past. Market cares about what is happening going forward. And so, in my opinion, going forward, the world and the markets are generally upbeat. And again, sterling yen, that's a bad Fibonacci. I don't know why it's still there. But look at this sterling yen. Looking bullish. Nice hammer. Nice reversal day today. Took out the lows. Was looking like death. And then bang. In your face. 143. 142.50 is a very big spot. That looks like a given. It's a BOP, baby. 140 if we can get it there. Great spot. BOP. So sterling yen to me looking decent. And again, closing, that's a hammer. We get bullish engulfing. Taking out 142 would be very bullish. Over 142.50 to the moon. So sterling yen, again, I like it. Aussie yen, let's take a look there. Again, big reversals day. And the stock market really wasn't even up that much. It was down. So taking a look at Aussie yen, nice hammer. Now, again, we get bullish engulfing. We get over 169, 68.75. This thing's going up. Probably up to our channel line here. Oh, that's a fib. 70. Easy. So nice reversal day today in the Aussie yen. I like it. Again, the Obama feel-good rally is probably going to come unless he screws up. But he has not, and I doubt he will. So to me, I would look to take some profits, though, and buy the pullbacks. Again, I don't want to be long this carry trade into the U.S. GDP. I think there'll be a sell-off in the futures, sell-off in the market. It'll be a buying opportunity, but I'd rather look to take my trades tonight and buy the pullback. Remember, triple roll tomorrow. Again, people, if you have any questions about my premium service, feel free to email me at info, I-N-F-O, at globalfxradio.com. Globalfxradio is where.com is where you can hear my free audio broadcast as well. The longer version of this, remember, this is only 10 minutes. And let's take a look at the Luna yen. And again, one of the ways people benefit from my service, my trade picks, sucked last night. My bias was dead on. I was looking for a rally in euro yen and sterling yen to short it. Never got it. But my people made money because the bias that they got from me was dead on, spot on. So, sometimes it's my bias and my tone of voice that people use me for, as well as the other services and research that I send out. So, sometimes my trade picks don't do very well. My bias is over 70%. Again, if you want an email on my performance, I have month and year-to-date email Excel spreadsheet. You can see all my picks, my percentages in each pair. And you can take a look there. Anyway, again, take a look at this Luna yen. Nice hammer. And you see, most of the time when we have hammers, yes, listen, we can double bottom. And I'm not telling you to run out there and jump and buy. But at the end of the day, I think we go higher. And at the end of the day, I think the stock market, it just won't go down. So we're probably going up. Dollar yen looks awesome as long as it holds today's lows. I think 98 is in the cards. That should mean carry trade up. Japan bank holiday, again, and Obama tonight should make a very interesting Asian trading. Andrew Spanton, info at globalfxradio.com. Global FX Radio YouTube, the only voice you will ever need in Forex that makes you money and shows you what's going on, baby. Have a good night.